Wagwan. Blessings and good day. Well, this morning I'm about to talk about a few things. You get what I say? And that to do with stuff related to me and what me I do. But before I do that, I want to tell us a welcome to a little surprise live chat here because never really planned for the live. Sometimes some things just pop up and we just and do this. Big up to the people who been supporting. I'm gonna say great, right through. You get what I say from the initial stage to this very date. You get what I say? Enough respect because I greatly appreciate the ones that will support the music, films, and arts and every movement so we depend because it's always a positive mission. Yeah. With that said, I want to go check out two recent movies that I'm about. They are short films. Easter Bun, which was created over the Easter holidays and now on YouTube. You get me? So it took 3 days to create that film. And it's a pretty good film where enough people are talking about it. It's a clap like 22,000 views and people love what go on. You get me? So because it's more real life issue and no fake belief. So check out and support these projects we have. You get me? I say Easter one is something really great you can watch, share, like. Drop some comment on the YouTube thing. Make the algorithms, notice the thing and shoot it out and about because that would happen. So go support that film. Big up to the entire team who participated in that film. Like I said, we took 3 days and we create that film and the feedbacks are tremendous. I love that. You get to me and say, we intend to do more. As a matter of fact, the part 2 for that is searching for Keisha. Because in a part 1, Keisha really take my money and next month. She took about $50,000. She take my bun and cheese and she feed the next man and now one bag of things. So you need to go check out that. You get to me and say, so these are the films where we talk about recently. The Searching for Keisha, which we did like 2 days ago. It was released on my birthday. All right. Talking about birthday. Me have something we really want to talk about as it relates to where birthdays are concerned and females. So a female will tell you, say, our birthday will come from the previous month or months before. She will say, next month is my birthday, and she will go ahead and say, start accepting gifts. So she a pre-program individuals to say, yes, I need my present, I need some gift, I need to acknowledge that it's my birthday. And now we as men, yes, we reach out, we go all out sometimes and we really, treat them nice for that birthday, might take them out, might give them gifts, monies, the whole 9 yards, yo. But what I can't understand, because remember, from the previous month to the existing month, till the very first date, a female keep a reminder constantly it's her birthday. So when the birthday come, yeah, she feel nice, she treat her nice, and she enjoy that birthday. But what we can't understand now is when your birthday come now, and you make them know. And at the end of the day, them still not support that same energy when them put for exercise. Say, yo, my birthday will come up. It's my birthday today. Some of them don't even remember your birthday upon the day. Them expect you to, put up a little DP or a little picture thing and say happy birthday to, so and so. And at the end of the day, you never see yourself on them DP, on them stats. You get to me and say, you might get a happy birthday and that's it. Them not come link you, them. And we say this off a personal experience. So get to me and say, because at the end of the day, it is what it is. You see me and say, me personally, it was happy to see a lot of persons wishing and saying happy birthday to me, but some of them who me I look for never do it. To be honest. You get what I say? And it's such a sad situation because at the end of the day, we are looking for the same type of love and treat. Same type, man, in Wagwan. Your brother and sister them in there. Yeah, man. You're soon ready for the answer, right? So when table? Okay. Yeah, man. So with all of that said and done, women, ladies, exercise the same energy, man. When you know says a warrior birthday, just support it the same way and bring them like a knife gift, nice gift. It's a knife a while ago. No knife. Bring them like a nice gift then, bring out a brother to see them with man and make them know say really appreciate them because we can't go extra mile for una and do it for we. But with all of that said and done, enough respect to every single individual who wish Amaziyah the great happy birthday on May 7th. And who not watch the movie yet, please go and go watch it now. Searching for Keisha. I put it out May 7th because you know that they did it special to me and I just want the ones them just go and go check it out. Just do that. Who not give me nothing for my gift now say no happy birthday can still go ahead and check that film out. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna make you see the preview. I have a trailer with my one preview right now about that film. So you can go check it out and make me know what to think about it. So watch what I go.
Yeah, on the road, say my mother over one girl named Keisha.
Star Keisha.
You know what you mean, mama? Look for the over here.
Yes, baby, can't manage. Pull up there now.
For your clothes, I don't know your clothes wrong style. They're kind of there. I'm going to
Pull the boy!
so look, you don't think a full thing is to get over in the house.
Yo, let me tell yo, don't ever pass your place. I look for one girl named Keisha, you know see her? Yes.
Anyone with information on the whereabouts of Keisha Brown?
Craig! Come on. Craig! If you feel like say me a go, I'm war in this year, you try to open the door.
Yep. So people go and go check the movie out, please. Searching for Keisha with Amaziyah the Great. Yes, Julie. Yeah, me putting them in there, going with some things to see him with. Big up to Olivia as Keisha, Marcus. You know, I'm a true and loyal, faithful friend. Big up yourself. When we see what go on, I'm not spoil the fun and tell them not more. So wanna see it yet? Go and go check it out. It's on YouTube right now as we speak. The Easter Bun, which is before searching for Keisha. I think they should have go watch Easter Bun first. I'm gonna see what Easter Bun is about, and then before you watch Searching for Keisha, for those who have not seen any other films, go watch Easter Bun. Then after Easter Bun, you check out Searching for Keisha. Cause Easter Bun is like the part one, but you know that Easter something they gone already, so we're now gonna continue to talk about Easter in the part 2. I never know what I'm going for part 3 yet because persons are in the comment section asking for a part 3. So I guess them gonna give a whole heap of work to do. But while remember that, you know, and while may I see the comments them, you know, people are asking more and more. I have a loyal and dedicated team who wish to go further with this and who is willing to, you know, partake and participate in a future events like this. But honestly, as I see the production, it's like a low budget thing. You get what I mean? It's like no budget really, because we not really have it like that. We're not getting sponsors from no one so far. And if any sponsor out there, we're not gonna try to single out in our section out and say you have to be from this organization or this industry or not. Anybody at all out there who willing and wanting to support our movements, our mission, our journey, be willing to contact Amaziyah the Great easily. You know the links them they're all about. You get the answer from your type Amaziyah the Great, see name there, right there, so yeah, right there, right there, so yeah, right there, so right there. See name AMAZIYAHTHEGREAT. Amaziyah the Great. I'm with the TikTok, with the YouTube, with the Instagram, with the WhatsApp. If you want WhatsApp means 1-877-647-6245. If you want to send donation or contribution or support or either way you want to call it, via PayPal, it's artist Craig Kirkland. Yeah, Craig Kirkland, I'm a real name. So, with all of that said now, more to just support the move, support the mission. I have some things available on Teespring. You get me? So called the merch store is out. So who want to support more can support the merch store. Amaziyah the Great Collections. Follow me on Instagram, Amaziyah the Great Collections. Follow me again on Instagram. And this is my personal account at Precisely Great. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Great Amaziyah, and check out a lot more things out up there for you. Like my music Facebook page, Amaziyah the Great Music, and just support the thing here because all we need in this and just support right through because we can't do this by ourselves and we have to big up everybody who's been supporting the same way. And we welcome all new fans who want to be on board. You get me and say, as I did say before, why we really need support. We really need proper cameras, we really need, you know, the wardrobe settings, we really need food, we really need transportation, the whole 9 yards, all of the above. And you know, people are willing, and some of these persons in the movie are really unemployed. You get me and say, so at the end of the day, you know, big up to Malik's Party Supplies, big up to Jill and Murray and the whole Murray Family Care Kids Support Kids team. Yeah, man, because no matter what go on, them people are still support me with the journey and the mission we do go on. You get me and say sometimes when persons are willing to participate and dedicate themselves to a project, we can't have a cast of hungry people. So even if them willing, we're not gonna tell some people say, yo, we want the big budget and the big sponsors and the big this, because we really are using the utilities what we have to, you know, execute a job, execute a mission. And so far we like the feedback we're going, and we can't thank, you know, me can't tell no thanks with just simple words. You get me and say it's really a joy. If you know, say some things that we do, some things I may think about, we actually put this in motion pictures and I love it. And I like the feedback we're going. Yard and abroad, Jamaicans are responding tremendously. People from in America, Canada, the UK, as far as even Africa. And we have some people, Egerton from Africa, big up yourself, me have to say enough respect no matter what go on. They still always been supporting what we are dealing with ever since the initial stage until this very date. You get the man say, so kudos goes out. You get the man say all the troops, them in the Gambia, NBG, big up yourself just the same because yo, the mission continue and the journey have to go on. And the journey continue and the mission have to go on. Yeah, so the trailer for Easter Bun is out also. So I put Easter Bun trailer out. I'm gonna so I go and I wanna go check it out, please. ASAP. Full thing is on YouTube. Go and go watch it. So Easter Bun.
Jaybird, seriously, daddy?
How that come in, my lad?
You have to go find somebody to look after your pitney them.
I need a favor.
More the money you owe me.
Right now, you're secretly going to go down there, Lego, and Lego. And the girl does that like a piece of puppet already.
Normally, I don't see them thing out, man. What go on?
I let you nobody, I not take no check.
We are going good still, but I only one little thing I see what go on. Puppy backyard, this is here.
Okay, my pussy never tell.
Zarman.
Who?
Zarman.
All type of mix up them come with that one, mash up a relationship.
So you see what I tell me about?
You see, whenever this man come look for you and it reach down to the bedroom part, you better wear protection.
Ever since Miss Keisha jumping in your life, a bag of things. She good enough, so.
Keisha love me. None of them can tell me nothing.
Better girl where you run back and you give your money.
You know, me just get the money from the dummy.
What kind of business you say you're going?
You know, say some Easter bun.
I mean, just say you're going out the bun thing, my lad.
How are you here?
And the one Keisha got married in that. Love an edge, man.
Who you found there?
Yes. So like I said, go and go check it out, people. Easter Bun. It's available on YouTube. And you can see it on Facebook, Great Amazement Multimedia. But go and go check out the YouTube and go and go share it with the people them all about over the world. Make them see what I go and drop some comments, drop some likes, some love, some share. You get what I say? And go and support the thing to the fullest. Yes. Tell them precisely. Big up to my uncle Taylor B. I'm a real uncle in a real life. Yes. My sister quality, real sister in a real life. I want to say I know me pity them already in Ashia and Ajani. And my kids them in a real life. You get what I say? One of the thing about this film is, you know, we decided that we're going to keep it as real as daylight. You get what I say? We're not going to put nothing where too unbelievable and not real and not realistic. So with all of that said, we just got hope to continue, and I hope you can help we for continue on this journey by supporting in any way or form you possibly can. I mean, a film director out there who already established and busting their business can say, all right, we can support them with 2 or 1 camera. Somebody might can say, hey, we have a clothesline where, you know, we don't really like get out there. So who would mind if you can, you know, show brand out and we can talk under something. You get to me and say, 2 persons might say, yeah, we can support with refreshments. Some might say we can support where traveling is concerned, we can go on the locations. So some of the something that we are looking for. We're not gonna tell them to say yes. We are looking for some big bulk cash and we want this and we want that. Because honestly, this team when me organize here, we are doing it because we love it. And we are doing it because we want to get somewhere first. You see, I've approached persons, you know, and the first thing when them greet me, that's me tell them about, hey, I want to make a movie. Because we have that dream a long time. From 2016, my name is Pam. And before that, we had done many things from 2010. I get to me and say, when we get on our award at the Northern Caribbean, 2013, or when we get the best director, best script at Northern Caribbean University. 2010 was when we get our award at the Jamaica Film Festival with Barbara Blake Hannah. Sponsors, and one point did I say let's wait on some sponsors and all of that, but that never worked out. And with all of that said, you know, we just have to go and just get things up and running. You get to me and say, because at the end of the day, we have to do what we have to do, because if we not do it, nobody else not do it for we. You get me? So we had to just get that up and out. And you know, people love Wagwan, as we said before. You can look in the comment section on these 2 films and also Wagwan on YouTube. So things like these motivate me to go more and go even harder. You get to me and say, and with all of that said, we intend to go harder. You get to me and say, every Sunday at 5 p.m. we have the TPP show. Someone want to check that out also. You get to me and say, but before me play the promo for that, My Name is Pam is also another film I want to go check out. Like you said, 2010 we did that. You have some kids in Florida, kids support kids, them do a review on my show. Big up Rapper Cropper also, because Rapper Cropper been supporting talents here. You get me? So not just me, but my sister Quali-tee. And you know, recently me see him check out the trailer for Searching for Keisha on his TikTok, and it's a really good look because other people are see it, they see it. So Rapper Cropper, big up yourself, enough respect. Check this out.
What's domestic violence?
I can answer that, Kasai. Domestic violence is hurting or someone that that loved you or any kind of way.
Domestic violence is also about hurting somebody for no reason.
Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who make you and I'll break you. Go on if you wanna try."
Hey guys! Welcome back to
Kids
Support Kids.
Today we're going to be doing a reaction video
on My Name is Pam
by Amaziyah the Great.
Thank you, Amaziyah the Great, for this video. Before we get started, don't forget to
like,
subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see us upload our new videos and go live.
Yeah, so go and go support them kids, support kids. They are on YouTube, so big up to them youth there. You get to me and say, the whole more family care. Like me did say before, I have a Sunday show 5 p.m. Want to check it out each Sundays. Last night was really amazing. I just me and the whole team. Well, some people from the team was on the scene. You get me? I said other persons were either busy or unavailable, and you know we had to just have a vibe with the people and say, and check out that the TDP show special edition on YouTube. It was with the cast, some of the member of the cast from Searching for Keisha and Easter Bun. But Sundays, 5 p.m. Jamaica time. Check out the TDP show. You hear that?
They say it's a free world, free speech. Fear not. If you've got your story to share, there's a global audience anticipating to hear. Be bold, be truthful, tell them precisely. Join us on youtube.com, Great Amaziyah, for the TDP show. Sundays at 5 p.m. And this is not about just interviewing artists only, but we want to interview everybody. Players of instruments, comedians, poets, actors, actresses, dancers, people with talents who now get to fair share. And remember, it's all about honesty, the truth about your opinion. We want the world to know. Amaziyah the Great, tell them precisely.
Yes. I don't tell them precisely. So yeah, you can check that out. Join up with the channel, join up with the community. Let's go and support the thing to the fullest and enough respect. Bless up, take care of yourself and keep supporting Amaziyah the Great music, films and arts, and just link we up and make we get this thing up and running. Tell them precisely it's the great for the gateway while the sunshine we make. Blessings and have a good day.